Hi students, warm greetings of the day. Today we are going to look at notice writing. Okay, notice writing. It is another important way of communicating, and it is also can be considered as a small composition. Okay, because you are formatting it, you are writing it, but the purpose is to communicate. You have an information to be passed, like in your school, to hundreds of students together, and you write a notice and put up on the notice board, where usually all the children are supposed to look at the main notice board, if it is for all the classes, or if it is for the students of your class. In your class there will be notice board, write and put it there. That is what is the notice board. Now, when you write a notice, you have to keep certain things in mind. It has to have a catchy heading. Now, I'll read a question. I have written here this as an example for you, and with the example, I can explain it, and you can write this as a homework also. Okay, you can change the address and date and all that, and the sentence that I give you, you can rewrite it as a homework. The question is, please note it down in your copy, please. The question is, your school is organizing an inter-school dance competition. Write a notice for your school informing the students about the event. I'll read once again. You can copy it down. Your school is organizing an inter-school dance competition. Write a notice for your school informing the students about the event. Okay, that is what is a notice. Right. Now the first thing is have a catchy heading. Now before that, let me tell you, I have followed the margin format. Okay, there is another format, and I always like you to follow this. The other format is this heading you write in the center. Okay, like this, and then your information like this, and complete it. Now this writing, there is one difficulty. Unless if you write it in the center, it is very difficult, and that you will have problem in adjusting. If you are doing it in your phone, in your computer, laptop, all that you can adjust it, but writing it will be difficult. So I would like you to follow this method, the margin the box type, where you start your writing everything from margin. At least there is neatness in one side, whereas the ending will be in different places. Okay, so I follow this format. I would like you also to follow this format and not this format. Okay, so anyway, what is needed for a notice is that a catchy heading is very important. So it is the topic is an inter-school dance competition. So the heading that is put is, put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing, you get that momentum of dancing. Okay, so that's a catchy heading. And then you have to write a short explanation about what is the program. What is this this is meant for what? Put on your dancing shoes. It is for what? An inter-school dance competition. An inter-school dance competition means a dance competition between different schools, basically of your locality or even from at a distant places. Inter-school means between schools. Okay, so that is what you have to understand here. So it is an inter-school dance competition. Then you have to write the date on 18th March 2021. On 18th March 2021, you have to write this in full form. And then the time from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, at what time it begins and what time it is likely to end. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And for this you have got 1 mark, this you have got 1 mark. Okay, so the marking scheme I will tell you. This has got 1 mark, this has got 1 mark, and this has got half mark, this has got half mark, this has got 1 mark, but it is half plus half. That is at Minerva Hall for this half mark, and at St. Mary's School this half mark. That's how this 1 mark meant for venue. but you have to have the exact location and the place at which it is held. Then only. Otherwise, if you write this alone, you will get only half mark. This alone is only half mark. You will not get. Okay. And then the last 1 mark for this message that you are conveying. So 1, 2, these put together 3. This is 4, and this is 5. That's how the 5 marks meant for the notice writing. Understand this? 1 mark for the heading, 1/2 mark for the description, 1/2 mark for the date, 1/2 mark for the time, 1/2 mark for the exact locality, exact place and the locality, 1 mark, and 1 mark for the message that you write. So that's how the 5 marks are combined, made for this. So you write that one, and when you write this in twos, okay, the place, the hall or ground or whatever it is, and whatever compound it is. Then all the students who wish to participate are to give their names,
ready or I doing something?
So are to participate. Sorry, once again, I'll start from here. All the students who wish to participate are to give their names to the PT teacher on or before 15th March 2021. Actually, the program is on 18th March, and so by 15th you are supposed to give your name. Okay, this is what is a notice writing basically about. Okay, don't forget a catchy heading, an interesting heading, and then a one-line description about it, and then the date on which the program will take, and the time at which the program will take place, the venue, the place where the program is taking place. Please note that here you have to write it in 2 sections, then only you will get the full mark, and then the message that you want to convey. Don't write here the message so big paragraph or an essay and all, because you will get only, whatever you write, you will get only 1 mark. So keep that in mind. Accordingly, you can write that. Is that clear? I suppose it is okay with you? Explanation is enough? Fine? So what I want you to do is that I have given you the question, I read it out, you would have taken it. Use the same question. Okay? Write it in your own, this one. For example, this you can change, this remain as it is. The date you can change, the time you can change, the place you can change. Okay? And even this sentence in your own format, you can make and change it. Rewrite it as a homework, and then you can send that to me, and I'll give you another question in the next video. Is it alright? Do you like to know anything? And I have been telling you, if you have got any doubts, please call me over the phone, okay, or send me as messages through WhatsApp. I will be able to clarify your doubts. Is that okay? Fine. Thank you.